Hi, I'm Richard from Glowing Embers, and today we're going to be talking about smoke coming into the room when you open the door of your stove. So this is something that can happen, especially with larger stoves like this with a big door. What basically happens is it creates a suction effect which literally pulls the smoke out into your room. You have to be very careful about how you open the doors on these stoves. And really, the key to this is doing something called what's referred to as burping the stove door. But it's also about timing. It's when you open the stove door. So really, once the stove is burning and it's hot and you can see flames like this, you should really keep the door closed and only open the door when it needs refueling, when it's burnt down. And then there's a couple of steps to do. Really, you open all the vents to make sure the air is flowing through there, which will ensure the best updraft possible. So that's the first step. Open the vents, get it as hot as you can in there, and then just very gently open the door. Just open it a crack to start with, and that's the burping part of it. That allows some air to start flowing in and the gases to stabilise in the burning chamber, rather than just opening the door, which sucks the smoke out. Open it a little bit, then gradually, slowly open it, refuel and close. And that's the best way to do it without getting the smoke into the room. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.